Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
You'll start by enabling screen time and making sure you can change limits. Open Settings and tap Screen Time, turn it on now. If this is your device, set a screen time passcode so changes are controlled. If it's a child device, enable family sharing and set parental control access. Once done, you can change limits immediately. Make sure screen time shows as active at the top so the next steps will persist and sync with family sharing if used. Now you'll lengthen the time itself. Go to App Limits and choose the category or specific apps you want to extend. Tap Add Limit and set a longer duration, using hours and minutes. You can customize days if you want more time on weekends. Once done, move essential apps into Always Allowed so they never hit limits. Make sure to save changes. This is how iOS enforces longer usable time while keeping non-essential apps limited when desired. Finish by checking family sharing if you manage another device. Open Settings, tap your name, Family Sharing, then Screen Time for that child and raise limits remotely. Also inspect downtime and content and privacy restrictions. Turning downtime off or removing a specific restriction can immediately increase usable time. If changes don't apply, toggle screen time off, restart the iPhone, and update to the latest iOS. That fixes
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.